A group that wants a supervised injection site here in Ottawa protested on Parliament Hill today. The debate has been ramping up over the past few months, with the city facing more and more pressure to open a drug monitoring clinic. Camille Karamali has the latest.
David, these protesters say part of the battle is getting Ottawa Public Health on board. Right now, the government-run group doesn't have any plans to open up a safe injection site, but ralliers at today's protest on Parliament Hill say they're hoping their combined voices will change that.
Stop the death and stop the hate!
Nearly 100 protesters rallied on the steps of Parliament. They're fighting to bring a supervised injection site to Ottawa.
Stop the death and stop the hate!
Among them is Jordan McLean. He's a former drug user. He says he's seen firsthand the consequences of unsupervised drug use. He argues a supervised clinic where people can use drugs under the care of medical professionals would benefit the whole city.
It's about health prevention, stopping the spread of disease, saving lives, giving dignity to the vulnerable people that don't think they have a voice.
They're hoping their message will make its way to Ottawa Public Health. The government body hasn't taken a stance on the issue yet.
There might be a role for it. We're just not sure yet what that looks like here in Ottawa.
Other Canadian cities like Montreal and Toronto have already backed the idea in their city, but Ottawa Public Health says they need to see what works in their municipality. They want to continue monitoring community discussion before making a choice.
We want to continue the dialogue. We want to hear from a broad spectrum of people who may be affected by a supervised injection site, so it's those discussions that we're looking forward to.
It's already been a hot topic debate for years, and Hendricks admits he doesn't know how long it's going to take.
We don't need no drug war!
Meanwhile, these ralliers are growing more and more frustrated each day.
If I have HIV and, if pass it on throughout my community, it's doing my whole community a detriment. And I think public health is doing a disservice to people who are injecting drugs by not advocating for this.
I can argue facts and figures, and there is definitely facts and figures that support this, but really there are people that are dying. I'll say it again, there are people that are really dying.
Meanwhile, the city and Mayor Jim Watson have openly come out against the idea of a supervised injection site, but Ottawa Public Health said so far they haven't received any pressure from the city to follow in their footsteps. David.
Thanks, Camille.